Today we're going to share with you how we grow pea microgreens directly on the mesh tray in our white tray kit. This particular pea variety is called Dwarf Grey Sugar Snap peas. It has naturally long stems that we find to be less woody and fluffy leaf tops. We start by dividing 130 grams of pea seed into the jars from our sprout jar kit. We then give them a rinse to remove the debris before submerging the seeds in enough water for them to soak for 6 to 12 hours. After 8 hours, we drain the water from both jars, give them a quick rinse, and drain again. Now it's time to set up our trays. First, we add 3 cups of water into the reservoir tray. Then pour the seeds from both jars onto the mesh tray and even them out across the tray. Once leveled, we mist with water or a prophylactic spray. Now it's time to put the inverted dome on top of the seeds and add weight. From this point forward, we like to check them daily and mist at least once a day at the start of a grow. By day 3, the pea seeds were germinating and it was time to refresh the water, which had darkened from the seeds.
Three new cups ocean solution water.
On day 4, we saw a lot more growth and it was time to flip the lid into a humidity dome and introduce them to a light source. The following day, the peas had greened up and they were at a good height to remove the humidity dome. Over the next few days, everything was growing perfectly.
Day 8, peas.
As the peas get taller, we like to rotate the tray so that they get enough light on both sides. Time for more water. Day 9 had approached and it was time to harvest. From this single tray, we harvested 280 grams of pea microgreens. To clean up, we like to use our sink with a strainer plug since peas can get messy. First, we remove the root mat from the back by carefully cutting it off with our knife. Pea microgreens get an insane amount of root growth. Now with our scraper tool, we can quickly remove the rest of the leftovers from this tray. Be sure to check out our website for more products and resources. We'll be composting all of this now. Happy growing!